Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Hadal TV. My name is Ahmed, alongside me is
Asad.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Today we're in London.
Yeah, and we brought the weather with us.
Yeah, you know what? Forecast did say no rain. As we drove closer and closer to London, it started to rain.
Yeah, I think we brought the weather with us from Manchester. It was raining in Manchester, so.
Anywho, let's cut the long story short.
Yep.
We're here to watch Manchester Powerhouse versus OIR, current champions versus previous champions.
Yeah,
Yeah?
strange one, isn't it?
Very strange. Manchester have been going through a bit of a blip, the way they exited. So inshallah, we'll see how this one pans out. What do you think of OIR, the way they were warming up and everything?
They look good. There was a lot of stories behind going on. There was you know what I mean? Like there was a few different players.
Some new faces.
Yeah, I heard that they sold their goalkeeper as well. The
Oh
legend.
yeah, he's gone to a better club. Yeah.
We don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
If he becomes a champion with a different team this year,
that'll be a story in itself.
that could be a story.
Anywho, here's from the coaches and managers, and enjoy the game.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
We're here and it's starting again.
Third season. We're here. Final last year, Cole Park Stadium. OIR won it here against Wembley Rangers.
Yep, we were here last summer.
We were here ourselves. We were managing the All-Star match against the rest of the world. I think the All-Star game was a great game, mashallah. But as you can see, Powerhouse last season, we got to a semi-final. We're trying to go for a record back-to-back. Triumph to try and break a record, but you know, they say you have to aim high sometimes and try and achieve big things. Sadly, we came short just on the second leg game, but alhamdulillah, you know, the boys are hungry. I think last season they became complacent in terms of they wasn't the same level of hunger as the first season. We prefer to be the hunters, not the hunted. I think this season is hunting season, so
That's it.
we're first up. OIR, we're here to hunt now, inshallah.
What's the prediction? What are you going to give me?
Wallahi, I'm just hoping to hopefully just get a good result, and the only thing that we can take from anything today is just points. So nothing to win, no trophy to win, apart from bragging rights. But inshallah, we just want to get a good result, start the competition well, and then carry on and keep getting better and better, inshallah.
Okay, thanks, Ahmed. See you later, inshallah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir?
Alaikum salam. I'm doing good, alhamdulillah.
The current champions.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah? How's it going so far?
it's going good. Second game of the Sbcl. I know it's your first game for Manchester, so looking forward to it.
How did the first game go?
First game was a tough game, I'll be honest. We travelled to Bristol and they gave us a good game. And at the end, we managed to get the result which we went there for, and 3 points was all that we needed. Alhamdulillah, we managed to secure it.
How's Bristol? Because they're new to the tournament, aren't they?
They're new to the tournament, and I'll give them credit. They're a very good side in terms of off the ball. They work very hard, and going over there wasn't easy just because for them it's their first game in Sbcl and they're playing against champions. And when you come up against champions, they're on it.
Yeah, because I think that's going to be the thing, isn't it, this year?
Yeah, that's the thing. Everyone, not just
Everyone's going to be
Bristol.
up for the 4
Exactly,
this year.
yeah. And I think Manchester felt the same way last year when they won it the year before, and then every game they went into kind of felt like a final for every opposition. So we kind of know that kind of pressure and expectation is going to be higher, more than last year. So we're looking forward to it.
See a bit of a change on your team. I think a few of the players are not from last year are not involved in it.
Yeah.
So is there a lot of big changes or just like 1 or 2 players?
It's not big changes, a couple of changes, and obviously changes needed. You
Yeah.
can't always have the same team to, you know, go ahead and try to do it again. Changes there just to be made so that way you can kind of motivate other players to, you know, make sure that they're on top of their game, they don't slack, and fresh players coming in and also want to experience that win as well, want to compete, want to go all the way, and having those kind of new players into the team definitely helps.
I also heard that there was a big transfer fee for the goalkeeper, so...
Listen, it's football, and we've got another capable keeper that we have at the moment, Abdelaziz, very fantastic keeper. First game, I think, against Bristol was one of the reasons why we managed to get a win. It's because of him. We were 2-1 down, and it was 4 attackers against him alone, and he managed to save it at 1v1. Got us back in the game, and, you know, crucial save for us. So he's already proven to be a top signing for us as well.
What do you think about the game today? So how you don't give me predictions normally.
Yeah, but
What are you thinking?
feeling confident. The boys are, up for it and playing on our home area, North London. Boys are ready, expecting fans to turn up and, give them that extra push, be that, 12th men. But overall, very confident, looking forward to it. And, our battles in the past 2 years, it's our 6th meeting. And, you've got 2 draws, 2 losses and only 1 win. So we try to, get that win today, hopefully, and then make it even on the, leaderboard between us two.
Okay, looking forward to the game. Good luck, and we will speak it later on, inshallah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. How are you?
Wa alaikum salam, man. How are you? I'm okay, man.
Yeah, so you're watching your team tonight, yeah?
Yeah, I'm watching my team. I'm injured today, man. I can't play.
I mean, we watched you score your penalty the last season.
Yeah, the final, man.
Yeah.
It was a great moment, man. Same stadium. Inshallah, we can replicate a win today, just like that.
So you guys changed your colours to start with.
Yeah, red, home pitch, innit?
You guys got the United kit, man. I mean, I don't know what's going on here. I feel like I'm watching Manchester United right now.
So are you trying to say we're the real Manchester? Nah, joking. But nah, this is our home kit. Like we got a few new kits. We got a red kit, we got a gold kit for away, and then our Sbcl kit, the one that we wore last year.
Yeah, they're all white.
Yeah, until now I don't know what colour it is.
It was all white.
Is it blue, grey? Like I don't know.
No, it's like
It's
white, but like a bit more like a silver in it.
Yeah. That's what I think as well.
So what are you thinking tonight?
I'll be real. Today, I think it's all about who starts fast and who wants it more, man. Because there's quality in both sides. You lot's attackers, we're very familiar with them. They've scored a couple goals against us, vice versa. So it all depends. I think today the game will be won in the midfield. Whatever midfield wants it more will win today. That's my personal opinion.
And obviously, there's that little extra 10% pressure on you guys.
Yeah, 100% because
you guys are the champions.
Just like last year.
Last year, we had that the burden all last year.
Yeah, 100%. And now because we've won, the Sbcl is getting more. How can I say it? More fame and more clout. There's more eyes on us. There's targets on our backs. Everyone's saying. Anytime they play OIR, if you watch the Bristol game, I don't know, they came
I'm
out,
aware, yeah, I'm
guns blazing. So
listen, that's what happens when you're the champions.
It's true.
Everyone's coming for you.
100%. Don't matter where. So that's just how it is, man. We're going to see how today's game goes, inshallah.
All right, you going to give me any prediction score?
For me, I'm going to be biased. I'm going to say OIR is going to win.
I expect you to be biased.
But I think it'll be a close game. Maybe a 2-1, 3-1 victory.
Because obviously the records are very
similar. You
very
got
tight,
2 wins, 2 draws, 1 loss.
Yeah, and you guys got one win. One win against Goss. Yeah. So yeah.
Anyone can take it.
Yeah, I know.
Could go in there. What's your prediction today?
You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna say exactly the same as you are.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a tough game, but I'll go the opposite direction.
You're gonna say
I think it's gonna be a low score, maybe 2-1, maybe 3-2.
Yeah, 3-2. Yeah.
Yeah, to Manchester.
I guess today we're gonna see.
We'll see.
We'll see, man.
All
Nice
right.
to meet you.
See you later.
What time is it? Game time! What time is it? Game time! What time is it? Game time! How many left?
Billy, how are you, sir? Game, what a game.
Boy, put a shift in, boys. Balls, put a shifting. What's that dark place, son? What's that dark place? Boys, proud of you.
How was that?
Oh, it's tough battle. Away from home, we come here and we got revenge. Let's go, boys. It's not over. It's not over, Absi. It's not over. Big team performance. Wallah, big team performance. Every guy. Mosa, where is he? Wallah, performance. Boys, we go to that place. We don't know about the dark place. That's the new slogan.
Salam.
What a game.
Very good game. Very good. Good moment.
Yeah.
Goodness me, that's
A lot of heart shown. A lot of heart shown.
And what a goal to win the game.
Bill is a top player. He played for me in Sbcl All-Star game. Ridiculous talent player. He's a very talented player. Someone to watch out whenever you're watching for Manny. Great goal. Best goal I think I've ever seen live. I don't know about you. It's one of the best I've ever seen live.
It's up there. That was the Wayne Rooney, what was it?
The brother.
The Wayne
Against
Rooney,
City.
That was from a corner into the air.
Directly.
Straight in.
Wow. Ridiculous. High level.
I was also impressed with the heart of Manny, because when things don't go your way, you get a red card. How do you respond? What do the leaders do? I was very impressed, mashallah.
Yeah, we know they can do that. Manny have shown that throughout the last couple of years that we've been watching them. Grit, determination, sitting in a block, being tough to play against. That's what they do.
Yeah, I think Manchester going down by one player made it worse for OIR. I think OIR then resulted to a certain system of play which was easier to defend, in my opinion.
You mean like the crosses?
Yeah, it just came in crosses. You're just going long. It became predictable after a while. Yeah. Like
they should have just used the fact that they had a spare man, draw the opposition in, but. They tried to. They created chances, but it wasn't enough for the control that they had over the game. Yeah. OER had a lot of control over the first half of the game and didn't ever.
They created better chances in the first half.
Agreed, but they didn't actually weren't incisive enough, unfortunately, in the final third.
It's a learning lesson, and they didn't play great against Bristol. Got away with it, so it's a learning lesson for the reigning champions.
Yeah. And they're both champion teams, and I'm sure they're going to improve as the tournament continues.
Sure. What you said?
Just wondering how did that game finish
1-0? I thought there'd be more goals in it for sure. There was a lot more high quality chances, but if you don't finish your chances, it doesn't matter. I think Ibzi South for OIR ended up headering it right at the keeper late on the game. Missed a penalty at Adza and had another couple of chances as well. But they'll learn from this. These guys have done it before. They've been here before. They've won
it's hard
the
to take
SBCL before.
This one,
for sure, it will be tough because you're at home and they've come and they've done a job on you. And Manny have done a very good job on OIR today.
It's up to the managers for them to learn, for them to make the players turn around from this.
Yeah, pick him up again.
Yeah.
For sure.
Thanks, guys.
Always a
Thank
pleasure.
you, thank you.
Ahmed,
Yo,
what a game.
what a day. You know what? You know when you hear smash and grab? I don't know how we won. Apart from like hard work, dedication, grit, all of that, fancy
Bro,
word.
the boys showed heart.
Heart. I
Heart
think-
today.
So the game started, penalty to OIR,
Yep.
as you guys probably have seen in the highlights now. And I was like, oh, here we go. Is it going to be one of those days again?
You're probably thinking, yeah.
Long drive, 4 hours.
I was quite confident because you know what, the game was going quite well. There was chances happening both ends.
Yeah.
But in the same time, it's like when the penalty given, I wasn't panicking. I thought, yeah, it'll be all right.
Because there's still plenty of time after
Yeah,
that.
yeah. It was early.
Yeah.
So it was going to be a long way to go. I was kind of predicting like it's going to be like something like 3-2 or 2-1 or something like that. So I thought we'll edge it.
Yeah. And
But yeah, when that penalty was missed, I was thinking, yeah.
Yeah. I was like, okay, game on now.
Yeah.
Boys are playing well. I like the formation. Love the lineup. So some new starters. Abdi, centre back, solid.
Yeah.
He like obviously we're missing like AB and some
Yusuf
big
as
names,
well.
big names
Yeah.
due to injury and whatnot. Saj, I mean I can go on, but Abdi put in a shift, bro. Abdirahim Abdi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but yeah. Was it 0-0 at half time?
Half-time 0-0.
No, sorry, we scored first half.
No, we scored the second
No,
half.
first half.
Oh yeah, it was the first half.
First half,
Bro.
I remember because I was sat in the corner.
What?
I did not see the goal because of the amount of bodies that were in the way.
We seen it. We couldn't believe what just happened. Because
You know-
it was a corner kick, bro.
I was like, you know what? Let me go on my socials. Let me watch YYMedia. Shout out to him. Make sure you follow him. I
saw the replay on it.
I saw the
Like,
replay.
What the hell?
Wow. Mo Salah, potentially goal of the tournament.
Yeah, I don't think any goal's gonna beat that.
I mean, there's still lots of games to go.
Yeah, but bro.
it's gonna take something.
From corner.
Listen, guys.
It didn't even touch the ground.
Let us know. Let us know in the comments. What was your thought of that goal, just in general? 1 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Let us know.
Bro, we're gonna put that goal up. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. You know what? We'll clip it right now. There we go.
Bro, they know the one. As soon as the goal went in, because of the way it happened, so it happened so quickly. We all are thinking, what the?
Yeah.
And then we all just start running to the mobile phones, just to see the replay. We were
All the players did not know how great it was until
Bro,
after the game because they watched the highlights
we
the.
we were trying to catch it again quickly.
Yeah.
And we watched it quickly while we were still celebrating.
Yeah.
We were catching the highlight, trying to watch that goal again, and everyone watched us like, oh my god. Even like OII, like the bench, were like
Yeah.
flicking it. That was a good goal,
After that goal, bare dark arts,
bro. Drama.
yellow cards, red cards. Sammy,
I lost count. How many yellow cards there were?
I lost count. Was it a red card for you, Sammy, goalkeeper?
Oh, it's a bit of an argument for it. Like,
Because someone,
it was very reckless.
very reckless. I think high foot stood showing on the
Yeah.
knees. This is just me going off by what I saw like from the other side of the pitch. So I can't really say
To be honest
whether
with you,
it was a red or
I
not.
couldn't argue about the red card.
But the debate was it in or out the box?
But that's what. Obviously, they wanted a penalty and they wanted a yellow card because I've spoken to quite a few of the guys.
Also, they wanted a pen and yellow,
They wanted a
and
pen
not
and yellow.
red and a free kick.
No, they wanted the other way around. But obviously, it looked like it was out. It's gonna be tricky to prove.
You know
it.
what? I actually can't remember. I'm gonna watch it back now.
Yeah, it's gonna be tricky to prove it, but I think it was outside. But I think the keeper kind of committed himself very, very early.
And then 10 man down, Munia in net.
Heart, determination,
Grit.
solid teamwork.
Why did OIR not take more shots on goal?
Bro, I think they lost their discipline after.
It was just like, yeah, let's just.
So they really thought because we were down to 10, therefore we'll walk into the net.
We still had the position of the ball up top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were still dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous still.
Mubzi, assistant coach, come through. What's your take on the game?
It was a very good game, alhamdulillah. We worked hard and look, we're back. We're officially back, man. Wallahi, man. I'm so happy today with the performance.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with the performance, the fight. Wallahi, I've seen people fighting to the last whistle,
100%.
That's one thing about us. I can confirm we don't stop. And now we changed our motto. What time is it? Game time. Now it's what time is it? It's home time. We're sending people home. that way, please.
Yeah,
that way.
please. Salam alaikum. Mub's about to get us in trouble. Anyways, we're gonna wrap it up. We're literally outside the minibus. To be honest, we held it 1-0 all the way till the end, and I'm not gonna ask you to do the ratings. We'll probably do that on a different video. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace out.